Before you go splurge on a expensive monitor, check out this monitor here. It's the T350 from Samsung. Only cost me $130 after tax. It took me a while to find a monitor that didn't have too much branding on it. So this one, it looks more clean, simple, has a 75 hertz refresh rate, so it's not the best for gaming, but I do recommend it for like your working from home needs or working from office. But I'm gonna give you a quick unboxing of it, and then I'm gonna give you my other thoughts on it. Here it is. Oh my goodness. The one thing I gotta say about this, I know it doesn't matter really, but this thing is super lightweight. Like I can hold this, it feels like I'm holding a tablet in my hand or something. That's how light it is. Ah man. Ah crap. So this is the only thing I don't like. In the pictures it showed this was all black. And that's what made me get it, because it was all black, so it kind of blended in. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this one up so I know how to plug it up, so I can tell you how to plug up the next one on camera. The power cord has this adapter type deal, so you got a two-piece for the power adapter or the power cord. And they're nice enough to include a HDMI cord, and it's pretty nifty. There's also a two-part deal for the stand, so you just use these screws, these two little small screws that's included, to screw the monitor, or the back of the monitor, into this right here. And then you'll just prop it into place here, and then you can tighten this up using, you don't need a screw or any tools to tighten this up. I guess you have an optional screwdriver, place to put a screwdriver there. And on the back of the monitor, we have the option for the power, the VGA option, and the HDMI. Then the power button is on the back right-hand side, or right here where you see the logo. The power button is right there. So it acts as the power button. You can single press it to turn it on and off. And you can like use these options. I'm gonna show you the options on the screen in a minute. Just press the button in the back, and you can toggle up and down, left and right. Cause I need to turn the brightness down on this thing. So you go to the menu. There we go. This doesn't move like side to side. It doesn't tilt like that, but it does tilt forward. You gotta put a little pressure on it at first. But yeah, it tilts forward and backwards. Or I guess technically only tilts backwards, because it doesn't go beyond this point here. With tax and everything, it probably cost me about around $260 for both of them. One of them you'll pay $130, around $130. So for $260 to have this crispy display, to me, I think it's worth it. Leave your thoughts on what you think about this. If you know something that looks as good as this or better, or is cheaper, leave a comment. Leave a comment. Share it with everybody. But all right, much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.